The manager at a coffee shop counted the customers once each hour over a few busy weekends. The results she obtained are summarized in the bar graph to the right. Use it to answer parts A through D. What is the largest number of customers in the coffee shop and how often did it occur? So we're looking at the number of customers here from our bar graph. The frequency, of course, would be over here, and that frequency relates to the hours. So we see that the largest number of customers is 12, and that only occurs one time. So we'll put the largest number of customers was 12, and it occurred one time. What was the most frequently occurring non-zero customer count? So it says non-zero, so that means that we would have to exclude the information here, and we're looking for the most frequently occurred customer count. So we'll go to the frequency part of the bar graph, and of course we're looking for the highest bar, excluding the first bar, because that's 0 customers, and that would be 6. Right here. So the most frequently occurring non-zero customer count was 6. Next, for how many hours were the customers counted? So we'll go to the frequency side of the bar graph, and we're looking at the hours here, and we'll have to calculate the sum of all the hours for each of the bars in the graph. So for the first bar, we have 11. The next bar is 8. Third one is 5. And the next one is 8 again. The next one is 10. The next is 9. And this one is, just so that we can line this up correctly, 6 and 5 and 1. So we take 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1, all of those hours, and we find the sum, and that total is 63. So there's 63 total hours. For D, for what fractional part of the total number of hours were there more than 7 customers in the coffee shop? So we'll go back to our bar graph here and look for all of the customers that were listed as more than 7. So we have 8, 9, and 12. So we will take the frequency from 8, 9, 12, so that would be 6, 5, and 1, and we'll add those amounts of hours, and of course leave those amount of hours over 63. So that gives us 12 over 63, and we reduce that to 4 over 21.